Tesla just dropped a steering wheel from the future. Fully autonomous Cybercab rolls off the line. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Saturday, February 21st, 2026. Tesla's Cybercab is ready to hit the roads without you touching a wheel or pedal. Mass production starts in April after regulatory clearance, promising a smaller footprint and lower costs. This is a huge leap in autonomous rides. Unitree's humanoid robots stunned millions with the viral Drunken Fist Kung Fu act live at China's Spring Festival. The company plans to nearly quadruple robot shipments to 20,000 this year, signaling massive scaling in robotics. Boston Dynamics' Spot robot now patrols an aerospace plant, detecting equipment issues before they cause downtime. This robot replaces weeks of manual checks, boosting reliability and cutting costs in critical manufacturing. China launched the world's first humanoid robot combat league, featuring Engine AI's T-800 bots, battling for a whopping $1.44 million prize. These robots pack aviation-grade aluminum frames and 4-hour battery life. Robot fighting just went pro. UK startup Humanoid smashed records building a bipedal robot in just 10 months. With 30,000 pre-orders already placed and autonomous success surpassing Ford's expectations, the future of humanoid robots has never looked closer. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about which robot impresses you most in the comments. Give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.